Let them go back to prison. Take it. This is the church of God. And here my Tebele, no reconciliation is safa. We died to kill others. Lapinda la tumo manu konje, wasulala food. After you ground. So you are still coming back. After that, you say, go back to your place. Go back to your place.